Imagine touching this.
That smell, isn't it?
It would be like you getting hit by Jamie with that. That would kill you.
When you go winter camp,
Yeah, you actually make leaves from one fire.
Thursday.
I mean, you want to a
fire!
I'll behave.
Oh, wind's changed direction.
Sit on the rocks on the tyre out of the fire. There's not a fire out of the wheel.
Oh God, that's not fun.
You ready?
Yeah, look, ready?
That's good. Ready? Careful.
Look. All man's going in that. Now I think they're going to make another fire.
Nice smell.
See that it burns the wheel slightly, but the idea is not to actually just to scorch it, but not to actually char the wheel.
So how much bigger has it got getting hot?
Well, there was a half-inch gap.
All the way around?
Not all the way around, but in places, all
Yeah.
you know. So it was a lot bigger.
Yeah. And is the iron ring carved in a circle, is it?
No, it's bent on this machine
Right.
here.
It comes as a strip, does it?
Yeah, we use a flat strip and then bend it through the roller.
Yeah, and then
weld the ends
a
together.
weld. Is that how it would have been done?
Yes, except that the die would have been welded on the forge.
Right.
Turn the hose.
Yeah, I'm just going to do that, yeah.